Guys, when I was little, I was told medical is the most respectable job in the world. And if you're a woman, you should pursue that because it is most safest. After after evaluating all of my options, I decided that I will become a doctor. I think that's what she also thought when she chose to become a doctor. How much it takes, how much hard work and how much sacrifice it takes to be where she was. It's not just one exam or two exam, it's a whole lot of life you give, a whole lot of suffering, a whole lot of sacrifice you give to be where she was. Normal public, I thought they have the idea and that's why they respected doctors. At least what when I decided that was the case. But I think it's no more. Nobody knows that how much we have to work hard to be there. Why it is called residency? She was a PG resident second year. Because you have to think hospital as your home, because it is your resident that you have to stay there for like 24 hours to take care of your patient. You have options to go home, stay and come back when your patient needs, but they provide lodging to stay there in the hospital for complete 3 years to focus on your patient and learn. That's what she was doing. She was gathering more courage to wake up again and treat her patients. But I think people have lost all the respect, and they have lost the the sense that how much doctors have to sacrifice. They only see with they only see one thing, that how much a doctor can earn. What do you think her salary must be? Like 1 lakh? And what kind of life she was leading? She must be proud of what she was doing, the life she was leading. I think at the end of her life, she might not be disappointed but angry and felt betrayed because of all the broken promises which was done by the world to her. It makes me so angry and disappointing and so much discouraged to pursue this career any longer. I'm the one who is preparing even more for pursuing the same thing what she was doing. Don't you think it makes me so afraid to go there to do the same job? I remember when I was working in village, there were few incidents where I would think that it might lead to something like that. And I would call my colleague and I used to think, why on earth these people don't understand? Like, what if something bad happens? But I had this thing in my heart that no, people respect doctors. No matter what, nothing bad could happen. But this news makes me feel so terrified to even lead, even prepare with full heart. When I was preparing for NEET UG, I was completely dedicated for this. But now, when I am going to be a PG resident, it makes me so afraid to go there and work. I feel so sorry for her, what happened, and I feel so angry on people that they think of us like we are kind of a people who just want to earn money from them. You don't know how much we have to work. In this country, it's not even easy to go to medical school. You have to prepare for this most competitive exam on the UG level for NEET UG, and very less people, like 0.1% of the people compete. And it's not just that, then after that you have to prepare for NEET PG, and in between you have to give your professional exams, which is not like other colleges. Let me make it very sure, it's not like just you are reading in a college. It's much more than that. It's much tougher than competing an entrance, I can assure you that. And even that, you have to prepare for another exam which is much more tough NEET PG, and she did all of it undoubtedly. And what was it worth? She lost her life, and not just life. Sh- Every female, every doctor in this country is terrified now, disappointed that what world we are living in. I don't think how her soul will rest in peace, but I don't know how the young female doctors will find the courage to do the same, or anyone, any female in their duty will feel safe after this. They will always have this memory that what happened with her, and even me. I cannot forget for my life. I am terrified for my life. And anyone who's not medico watching this, I just tell you that at least stand for it. Just for sake of humanity, stand for it. If anyone watched any of your medical friends studying, I must understand that you know how much it takes to become a doctor. It's not just sitting in a room and just collecting money for seeing a patient for 5 minutes. It's not that. It's too much. It's too much. You don't know.